Mastering culinary phrases. Boil until reduced. Explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the world of culinary phrases. Specifically, we'll explore what it means to boil until reduced in cooking. This phrase is not only common in recipes but also a great example of how English blends specific instructions with a touch of culinary art. Let's get started. Boil until reduced might sound complex, but it's actually straightforward. When a recipe instructs you to boil something, it means to heat a liquid until it reaches a temperature where it starts to bubble and turn to steam. This is boiling. The word until indicates a duration or a condition that needs to be met. Reduced refers to the process where the liquid in the recipe decreases in volume due to evaporation. This usually concentrates the flavors, making the dish richer and more intense. So, boil until reduced means to heat a liquid until some of it has evaporated, making it less in quantity but more flavorful. Let's see how this works in a real recipe. Imagine you're making a sauce that starts with broth. The recipe might say, boil the broth until reduced by half. This means you need to boil the broth until its volume is reduced to half of its original amount. It's a simple yet effective way to intensify the taste. Remember, reducing a liquid is not just about boiling. It's about controlling the heat and monitoring the amount of liquid left. It's a delicate balance that can transform a dish. Here are some tips to master this technique. Use a wide pan. More surface area means faster evaporation. Keep an eye on the heat. Too high, and you might burn it. Too low, and it won't reduce. Stir occasionally. This prevents burning and ensures even reduction. Measure. If a recipe specifies how much the liquid should reduce, use a ruler or a stick to measure the depth before and during the reduction. Boil until reduced is more than just a phrase. It's a fundamental cooking technique that enhances the flavor of your dishes. It combines patience, observation, and a bit of culinary intuition. We hope this video has demystified this phrase for you and that you'll feel confident using it in your cooking adventures. Happy cooking, and see you in our next English language learning video.